So everyone, welcome back to another video here on my channel, Chain One Stitch by Mich. I'm Mich, and for today's video I will be showing you guys that I crocheted this shirt, this Raglan shirt, within 24 hours. I thought at the beginning to title this video like how much I can crochet in 24 hours, but I realized that this raglan slash off-shoulder shirt is really easy to do within 24 hours. Maybe I want to title this video like last minute off-shoulder top within 24 hours, so something like that. I don't know yet, I have to figure it out, but basically I really do this within 24 hours, maybe 12, even 12, no 12, no. Like I said in the video, I need to be ready on 5 p.m. so I'm on time, but I just want to, showing you the intro, and I already explained you everything at the end of the video. Let's jump into the video. Let's crochet with me. Everyone, even beginner, can make this top. By the way guys, before starting, sorry for my face because it was already night. I was so tired, and I will tell you guys that this video, it was unplanned. I didn't plan to making this video, but I just want to crochet something and to wear some crochet for today, so I just thinking about this. So let's start. Hi guys, so this video wasn't planned, but I want to crochet something because I didn't crochet anything today. I just stressed a little bit, but now I want to start another project, and I was thinking to doing this video where people title the video how much I can crochet within 24 hours, and I'm looking for my yarn stash and I saw some yarns left from the previous project, so I just want to do this raglan shirt, but this time I want to start like here on the pink side, like I want to be open here. So I want to do less hole because I did too much with this raglan shirt, but this was my first time to do that. Now that I know, I will be doing less increase. I will be using this 4.0 millimeters hook because I'm used to use this kind of hook, and I want to be so fast since I have to wearing the raglan shirt tomorrow. And yeah, so let's start. I just set some movie to watch while I will crochet, and let's see. Okay, so 8:43. Good morning guys, I'm so sleepy. It's 6:48, and this is how much I crochet. It's already the top. I think it's gonna be more off-shoulder top. I already started doing the body part. I chain 15 chain here, and it's gonna be a little bit tight because I noticed that's why I frogging. Then when I made 2 rows more, this part, the front part and the back part, it's losing out too much. So now I will continue to crocheting because I need this one to be ready before 5 p.m. so I have like 9 hours to 9/8 hours to finish this one. This is how much I crochet. I'm still falling, guys. I'm still really falling. So guys, it's 1:57, almost 2 p.m. and I have less than 3 hours to finish this Raglan, not Raglan anymore, I don't know, I have to change something. But yeah, so let's start doing I think other 2 to 3 rows, and then I will be adding some rows here on the upper side. Let's see for the sleeve if I want to leave it like this or make it some rows as well. But yeah, I have to finish. Well guys, I'm whispering because my daughter, she's sleeping right now, and I just want to show you guys that I almost finished. So basically, this is the final. I just finished to do a single crochet all over the top of the shirt, and I will leave it like this. So it's not really a raglan shirt like I said in the beginning, but more, I think it's more a top, an off-shoulder top. And you can see on the camera this is 2 different color, and it's a little bit weird guys because I ordered the same yarn. Anyway, even it's looking like this, even it's not supposed to be in 2 different color, I love the way it turned. Like you can see, it's like not too much obvious, and I love it. I love it because because this morning I was thinking to maybe add, as usual I want always to add some color, but at the end it was too late. I overpassed the row where I want to you know, add the color, maybe here 3 different color, neutral color. So I just skip it and going in crocheting rows to rows to rows. And yeah, so I will be finishing the single crochet, and let me explain you really quick guys, because it's almost 4 p.m. and I have to be ready by 5 p.m. So I did all the single crochet, I almost done, and then this is the back. You can see every time I turn into the rows there's like a hole. I don't know why every time it happens. And leave a comment down below guys, any suggestion, and explain me why it's like this every single time I did this double crochet thing. And I know it's my mistakes, but as long as like straight, it's not really bother me too much. I just want to know why it happens so I can maybe improve. I finished by doing a single crochet even here and even at the sleeves here. All it's a single crochet, and here at the top I add 1 row of double crochet, only double crochet without any increase, and now finish with a single crochet just to, you know, just to smooth the angle, because it was like a little bit square going up. I love that it's not too tight, because you know already guys, I don't love too much tight things, even because I want to be comfy, and I love how it turn, and I will show you later. So let me finish the almost final rows here of single crochet. I just want to show you guys because it's too late, it's really too late, and at the same time I want to explain even all the process, you know. And I am so shocked that I finished this in within I can say 24 hours. If I start the project yesterday morning, for sure I will end it even in the night, yesterday night. But since it was a really last time thing, and you know, I need to sleep because I cannot manage my daughter if I'm not sleeping enough, and just woke up early this morning to, you know, finish this project. And yeah, so I'm done. Let me cut. Okay. So let me showing you the difference. For this Raglan shirt that I made for the first time, I did triple crochet. Yeah, triple crochet. For this time, I did here double crochet, which is, you know, more tight, and the treble crochet thing. The treble crochet, it's more like you can see everything under. So I just want something that it's more, you know, hiding everything. And as you can see here, I start really too high, that hiding even the collar neck that I love to show. So I made this time a bit lower and doing like off shoulder. But then, since I want this part of my armhole to be more tight, not like this raglan that I did. I think I did too much increase here, and I start to do the armhole too late. Like it's 4:10 p.m. So I finished. I started. What time it was? 8 or something. I'm really obsessed. I love this creamy color. I really love this creamy color. If you make it until now, thank you so much guys for watching this video. I'm so happy that I decided to filming this unplanned video for you guys, and I'm so happy that it turns really well. It's not a failed work, it's not a failed project. So subscribe guys, like this video, and see you on the next. Bye. So guys, I'm so sorry for the mirror and sorry for the background, but this is my daughter's room and my corner where I filming most of the time. I just want to share with you and showing you how I wear this Raglan off-shoulder top or shirt or whatever, and I just wearing with my new denim jeans that I bought on H&M. And also I just wearing this that I don't know how you call this, but anyway, I just wear it because it's cloudy outside and I don't know if it's going to rain soon. So I just wearing this even it's too hot and I'm sweating already. But anyway, I just want to showing you how I paired, and yeah, I love it. I want to make more of this, more with more crop, more long, and also I want something to hide here because I have how did you call it, the tummy pregnancy left here with my daughter. So yeah, but anyway, I'm so happy and I'm so comfortable to wear it. I'm hiding what I have to hiding. Even I go up, you can see, you cannot see anything. And yeah, basically I'm ready guys. So I have to go because it's 5 p.m. and I need to going out. So bye.